Greg Orman for Kansas U.S. Senate. Greg is different. He is an independent. He is educated specially in economics with a degree from Princeton University. He believes education is the key to success. He supports Democrats and Republicans, giving thousands to both. Orman wants to create jobs and improve the quality of life for all Kansans. Now I know Kansas is a traditionally Republican state, but it is time we put Kansas on the right road. Instead of arguing, we need to be compromising.
I believe that we can have a new American century, that we can become the place you go to start a business, that we can become the innovation nation, but we can't do that with the current leadership we have.
Greg Orman approves this message.